Come on, please.
We're making it upstairs.
Fine, you can watch my YouTube video then. Bam. I need to use my medkits.
Oh, now I know what you mean by, like when you said your screen got dark, it just got dark for me. Whoa, what happened? Oh, I'm about to die. I need some food.
+2 health for a lemon. Consume. Consume. Consume again. Hello guys, as you can see we're playing 3008. Oh, I found goldfish! I found goldfish! Bop. Okay, I grabbed more food.
Why'd you put it in like that?
I grabbed more food.
But if you're coming from the outside, kind of like this. So it leaves this open. And close that off.
If you recognize his voice, you're a true subscriber. Or viewer. Whatever. Anyway. Nope, I still have the girls' base saved. Coming over with a pallet, guys.
Talking to us?
Yes.
Okay. Which way are you coming from?
Shabop. Coming.
Which way are you coming from? Zach?
I don't know. All I know is that I'm going to it. Oh yeah, if you're wondering how to set waypoints, it's this area here.
Luke, where are you? What are you coming back with?
A pallet.
Talking to Luke that time.
Oh.
I see your name.
Passing through the toilet section.
Making my way up. Zach, why do you keep placing it so far out? I mean, Luke.
Hello.
Here, place it right there.
Here? Okay.
Charizard, can you move? Okay, place it.
Placed.
Got it.
Okay. I'll go get more. And this time we're gonna eat the broken glass. Just to show my viewers. Alright, take this broken glass and consume. Ow! I just ate the broken glass. Time to use the med kit.
So you're
Chabop.
using our only med kit?
You said they respawn, didn't you?
It takes a couple of weeks in Roblox turn.
Oh.
In IKEA turn.
Oh. Sorry. I didn't know. Don't worry, I have an area that spawns lemons. And lemons give you 2 health for some reason. That's what we're doing! I have a different base!
Zach has a different base and he's mostly over at that base.
Yeah, because I have to keep stealing these pallets for you guys.
I'm extending the floor.
I have to keep stealing these pallets from the girls for you guys to build yours. I have an invincible base. Why don't you want to come? Well, I mean, you have an invincible base as well, but mine's kind of better. No offense. Alright, got another pallet. What in the world? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Placing down pallet. Pallet placed. I need 3 health.
Yeah, we know.
It's 2 health. No. Oh, 30 health. No, that's a medkit. 4 health. That's what I need. Consume. What is happening in this game?
Boom. Like this. Right?
I want to see these coordinates.
You said, yeah, 3 tones. Oh.
I am closer to... No. I'm closer to my sky base, so that's where I'm heading. It's on this pillar. No, it's on the next pillar. Yeesh.
We need some light in this corner. I can't see.
Medkits respawned! Medkits respawned! The medkits did respawn. No, my inventory's full. I have to eat a bunch of food.
Not a bunch. You only need to eat 1.
3. This place has a lot of medkits.
I'm just sitting right here.
It has 4 medkits. Alright, I'm saving it. Getting rid of kitchen. I got rid of the kitchen. You guys have kitchen. Create waypoint. I have...
Place it upwards. Here, just place it down. Just place it.
This base is kind of hard to get to. I'll do a payload drop of medkits tomorrow.
It's okay.
No. Come on. There we go. I'm on the table. Get on this table. Get over here. Here. And jump. And I'm in. Alright. I'm safe. I'm safe for tonight. And didn't have to use a medkit. Medkits respawn every night.
Not every night.
Yes, every night. I just got 2 medkits. 2 nights in a row. Got 2 medkits. 2 medkit drops.
2 different places, I bet.
Nope, same place. Exact same place. Alright, this will be the end of the video when it turns day.
That's the shortest video ever.
No, it's not. It's pretty long. I have some shorts on my channel. So, when it turns day, I'm heading over to their base, and that'll be the end of the video. I need to reinforce this thing. I could fall off.
Is this a smart idea, Luke?
Yeah, I love it. I like that we're just going over there. Well, that's a really smart idea.
I have a picture of the Rock eating pancakes in my base for some reason. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.